Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace headlights on a Cadillac Escalade. First, gather all your tools like a ratchet, sockets, and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so disconnect your vehicle's battery before starting. Next, carefully remove the grille and any surrounding trim pieces to gain access. Finally, unplug the electrical connectors from the old headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now that you've prepared the area, it's time to remove the old headlight. Look for the mounting bolts, usually 2 or 3, and carefully unfasten them. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. Be mindful of any remaining clips or tabs that might hold it in place. Take a moment to inspect the wiring harness for any wear or damage before proceeding. With the old headlight removed, you're ready to install the new one. First, securely connect the electrical harness to your new headlight assembly. Then, carefully slide the new unit into its designated opening, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Reinstall all the mounting bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but without over-torquing. Double-check that the headlight sits flush with the vehicle's body for a proper fit. You're almost done. Now, reattach the grille and any other trim pieces you removed, making sure they snap securely into place. Reconnect your vehicle's battery terminals. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beam functions of your new headlight. If needed, adjust the headlight aim to ensure proper visibility and avoid blinding oncoming drivers. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.